How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I'm gonna talk about couple of brand new amazing features that's been added in your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Now there are two useful features I'll be talking about in this video, and these are kind of hidden inside your Galaxy phone, so you maybe haven't heard of. With that said, stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. So the first feature is available on Samsung Internet application. Let's say I open Samsung Internet and if I want to search for any of the images, for example, let me go ahead and search for cars. I just need to click on this image tab and here we got the pictures of different cars. Now if I just press and hold on any image, I get a brand new option at the bottom that says clip subject from background. If I click on it, what it does is it removes the subject from the background and you can easily save the PNG file directly from the Samsung Internet browser. Samsung already added this image clipper feature in the Gallery app with the release of One UI 5.1, but now you can use this amazing feature directly inside the Samsung Internet application. Now you can easily remove the background of any image while you are browsing on Samsung Internet. This works on any website, and if you are unable to find this feature on your Samsung phone, then just make sure you have updated and running the latest version of Samsung Internet application. Moving on to the next feature, did you know you can now access ChatGPT directly from your keyboard? You don't have to open Google Chrome and then search for ChatGPT every time. Instead, you can ask anything directly from your keyboard in just a few clicks. Now to get this amazing feature on your Samsung phone, you will need to install SwiftKey keyboard. If you have an older phone, then you might already have SwiftKey pre-installed on your Samsung phone. But if you don't have it, then just go to the Play Store and install the beta version of SwiftKey, which is completely free. Once done, simply set it as your default keyboard. You can do it either by going into the settings page, or you can just tap on this keyboard icon at the bottom and select SwiftKey beta keyboard. If you are setting up for the first time, it will ask you to sign up with your Microsoft account, and once you are done, now you have got this Bing icon at the left side, and if you just tap on it, you have three options such as search, tone and chat. Let's say you are having a conversation with your friend and you quickly want to do some research on a topic, or you just want to share a link to an article. You can type anything right here and ChatGPT will quickly do a web search for you. If you want to share any article, you just need to tap on it and it will send a direct link to your friend. Not only this, I can actually change the tone of a sentence that I have already written. I can have it in a more professional way, casual, political, social post and much more. It's also extremely useful in emails. You can ask ChatGPT to write you an email. As you can see, with your keyboard you have a chatbot which is writing a complete email for you, and it definitely makes your life a lot easier. All in all, it's a great tool, and having it right inside your keyboard makes it far more productive. You can now use ChatGPT while using any app on your phone, and since it's a Microsoft keyboard, you don't have to worry about your privacy. Definitely try this one out. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are a couple of amazing features that's been added inside your Samsung phone. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.